my little sister Eva. We are on the farm today to meet the farm animals. Doesn't that sound fun? Woo! So cute! Let us start counting all the sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 sheep. Look at all of them go baba. Wonderful! Who are we going to meet next? Dogs! So cute! Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 cute dogs. Wonderful! And what do they do? Woof woof! Let's count horses. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 3 horses. Yay! Wonderful, wasn't it? What else do we find on the farm? Ducks! That's right! Cute little yellow ducks. Let's count them. Ready, Eva? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 ducks going quack quack. Amazing! What's next? Aha! Cows. Let's count all the cows. 1 and 2. 2 cows. They go moo on the farm. We had so much fun. Thanks for helping us count all the farm animals. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Ellie. And this is Eva. And you're watching KidsCamp.